Alright, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to Mega Evolve Pokemon in Pokémon Legends Z-A. This video helps you guys out. Leave a like and comment for the algorithm, but do not subscribe to me. So what we're going to do is we are going to get into battle with Tawny here. This is our introductory, where we have a Absol on our team. And our Absol, of course, is carrying a Mega Stone, this Absolite, on the team. So what we're going to do is we just need to hit R. If you look at the bottom right corner, when that purple bar is full, you need to hit R. And the way that fills up is by doing attacks against enemies, and by collecting orbs that fall on the ground during battle. So here, hopefully, one of Tawny's Pokemon will drop some orbs. We'll just keep battling her. As you can see, some of these moves are giving us more purple power. It says at the bottom right, C+, which means that it's giving us more power. And just like that, we are going to get Mega Evolution points by using those moves. And again, all you need to do is you need to wait for that purple bar to be fully filled, and then you just click right down into your stick, and then your Pokemon will be Mega Evolved. Yeah, that is all you have to do to Mega Evolve a Pokemon in Pokemon Legends Z-A. And on here, I'm just going to send out my Pig Knight, who can't Mega Evolve to finish off Tawny's Pokemon. Yeah, I hope this video helped you guys out, and have a great day.